Hello students, you are with Noach and we help you stand out of the crowd. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Now in this video, we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We were in exercise number 3.6 and question number 1, fifth part. So the equations are 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Now you can notice that these equations are in a different format. Right, we have xy in the denominators. We have to actually get rid of this xy from here. So what we need to do is, we have to divide both the terms by x and y, because here we have only one denominator which is x and y, and we have two numerators. So this means that both the numerators have a common denominator x and y. So we can write it as 7x by xy minus 2y by xy. Right, this is a elaborate form, is equal to 5. Now what happens? You have 7 into x, which gives you 7x, and x into y gives you xy. So here 7 and x are multiples and here x and y are multiples. So this means we can cancel x and x. Right, because both are multiples, so we can divide x by x. So same way here, we have y as a multiple and y as a multiple in both the numerator as well as the denominator. So we can cancel y also. So now what happens? You have reduced it or simplified it. So let's write it as 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Now you got it in the proper form, right? Same way here we can do that. For both 8x and 7y, xy is common, so let's split it as 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Here also we have x as multiples in both the numerator and the denominator, so let's cancel it. Same way here, y can be cancelled because both are multiples here. So now it gives us 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. We have simplified it. Now we have to reduce it to a proper linear form. So as we did in the previous parts, we have to split the numerator, that is the coefficient, and the variable separately, so that we can give the variable a value and then find its solution. So let's split it. Since 7, which is the coefficient, is in the numerator, we have to split the numerator separately, and then we have to keep the variable in the denominator. So let's write it as 1 by y. Okay, so now 7 into 1 will give you 7 and y in the denominator will remain as it is. Now we have to give 1 by y a value. So shall we give 1 by y a value a? So what will happen? You will replace a in the place of 1 by y. So now when you replace it, it will become 7 into a, which will give you 7a. Okay. Same way for the second term. Let's do it. Let's separate it as minus 2 into 1 by x. Now let's give 1 by x a value b. Since 1 by y is a, let's give 1 by x b. Now let's multiply minus 2 into b. In place of 1 by x, let's write b. This will give us minus 2b. Now we have both the terms ready for the equation. So let's write the equation as 7a minus 2b is equal to the same constant term which will come here is 5. Same way, let's do the second equation also. We can split 8 by y as 8 into 1 by y. Now as we have already given 1 by y a value, let's replace it here. So 8 into 1 by y is a, so let's write a. So this will give us 8a. And same way for the second term, let's try split it as 7 into 1 by x. Now we have 7 into 1 by x is b, so let's write b. So it is 7b. Now Both the terms are ready. So let's write the equation as 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. Okay. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So let's write it by elimination method. We have the equations 7a minus 2b is equal to 5, and the second one is 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. Now in elimination method we have to eliminate any one variable from these equations. So let's eliminate b variable this time. So in order to eliminate b variable, we have to have the same coefficients in both the places. So what I can do is I can multiply this by 7 so that I get a 14y here. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14, so minus 14b here. And same way, if I multiply this by 2, then I will get plus 14 here. So that way I can cancel this b variable. So when we multiply this equation by 7, then I get 7 into 7 is 49, so 49a, then minus 14b, that is 7 into minus 2b is minus 14b is equal to 7 5s are 35. Then 8 into 2 is 16, so 16a, then 2 into 7 is 14, so plus 14b is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. Now we have a minus 14 and plus 14 here, so we need to subtract this. So we have a minus 14 and plus 14 here, so we need to add this equation, right? Because if I subtract this equation, then this sign will change. So I will not be able to eliminate this. So I will be adding these equations in order to keep the sign as it is. So let's write here by adding equation 1 and 2. Our equations are 49a minus 14b is equal to 35 and 16a plus 14b is equal to 30. Now as I said, we have minus 14 and plus 14 here. Minus and plus is minus, so 14b minus 14b is 0. So this is cancelled. Now I have to add this. Plus 49 and plus 16 will be 65a. Then it's equal to 35 plus 30 is 65. Now a is equal to 65 divided by 65, because 65 is a multiple on the left hand side, so when it moves to your right hand side, it becomes a divisor. So now 65 by 65 goes one time, so your a is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have the value for a, so let's substitute a in any of these equations to find the value of b. So substitute a is equal to 1 in equation 1. Our equation is 7a. Our equation is 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. So in place of a, let's write 1 because the value of a is 1. Then minus 2b is equal to 5. Now 7 into 1 is 7 minus 2b is equal to 5. So minus 2b is equal to 5. Then this 7 from your left hand side will move to your right hand side, becomes minus 7. Now minus 2b is equal to 5 minus 7 is 2, and we take the sign from the greater value, so minus 2. So your b is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2, right? Because 2 is a multiple here, so when it moves to your right hand side, it becomes a divisor. Now you have minus and minus, you can cancel, so this 2 goes one time, so your b is equal to 1. Now that we have found the value for a and b, we have to replace it in this place, because we have given 1 by y the value a. So when we have found the value for a, we have to replace it here and then equate it with this so that we can find the value of y. So let's write it here. If 1 by y is equal to a, then 1 by y is equal to A is 1, so let's write 1. In order to equate it, let's write 1 by 1. We don't have any denominator, so let's write it 1 as 1 by 1. Equating means we will be cross multiplying it. So let's cross multiply it. So this will give you y into 1 is y is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. So our value for y is 1. Same way, let's do for 1 by x is equal to b. Our 1 by x is b. So if 1 by x is b, then what is b? b is 1. So let's write it as 1 by 1. Now when you cross multiply, this will give us x into 1 is x is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. So our value for x is 1. So we are done with the fifth part of the first question. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Until we meet in the next video, bye-bye.